Here, do you want to just start from
Well, Superstore ain't open. Oh my lord.
I'm not going that way, it's a little too dangerous. Just hang on a sec.
Yeah.
In front of Clay's place.
Dana's.
Yeah, Clay lives there too.
No, he doesn't.
No? Okay.
No. Dana and her boyfriend. Wow.
Yeah, but that intersection is kind of closed right now. Oh, looking for another Victoria Square.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is gonna take a while to get cleaned up.
Yep.
Good thing we got our propane tank filled.
Well,
Slow down for a minute. Oh my god, the tree right down. Look at that.
yeah. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to get back in order.
Yeah.
Nova Scotia Power should be out in full force soon. Winds are starting to die down. It's not too bad here. In case you're wondering, ladies and gentlemen, this is Truro, Nova Scotia, just north of Halifax. Oh, tree down over there.
Lady out walking around. Nope. Your head's in the way. Oh, that one broke right off too.
Wow.
Oh, that guy's car.
Look in front of your old house. Another tree down.
Oh my god.
Took out the fence, the house.
Oh my god. Slow down, hon. Oh my god.
Can't go any further up ahead because all the ball lines are down. Which way?
Go down, Arthur.
Not too bad here. front of corner of Dominion and Arthur Streets. Pretty bad. Front of Pizza Farm's devastated. Trees down there. Right down there.
Get your face in there.
My head's in the way. Oh, big ass tree right below. A sec, I'll back up.
Oh my God, look at that. Alright, slow down.
Trees right over the road up here.
I want to take a drive up around Eric too.
That's what I'm trying to get to. That tree's made our decision for us.
Go up a little bit closer. A little bit.
The good news is the porta potty's still there.
Wow.
Yeah, we're definitely not going that way.
We'll have to try to go up, okay.
Hang on.
Go down that way. Oh, there's deer. Even the deer are all confused today.
Can you blame them?
No. I don't blame them at all.
Poor little buck, too. He was injured. It's okay, little one. I'll have to go up through Young Street to get to this place.
Wow. Everybody's out looking this morning.
Yeah.
We're probably the only idiots that are filming all this. Yep. If you went up that, no, there's a tree down up there too.
Yeah. Tree down. Well, it didn't hit Pizza Farm, but they lost the top of the telephone pole. Nearly all of Truro's out of power.
Yep, by the looks of it. Oh, this car's gonna get washed. Sorry. Ooh, there's some trees down. Tree down up there too.
Telephone pole down up there. Another tree down.
Yeah, we got hit.
We got our asses kicked.
It was a lot worse than I thought it would be.
Oh, it's almost
Please,
as bad
Lord.
as one. Almost as bad.
Well, it's probably about the same by the looks of it. Oh, they lost a fence. What's today, Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Edge. Good thing we came up this way.
Ooh.
Yeah, they're still okay.
Oh. Go up that way then. Oh, there's one down there too. This kid out by himself. You crazy thing. Wonder what it's like up by Chris's. Oh, there's another tree there. Slow down. How am I supposed to take videos if you're... Wow. Another tree down up here.
Young Street? Alright.
There's a power lines right across the roadway at the top, almost to the stop sign.
Okay, same as down there?
Yeah, I'm going
When you
across
go.
right here.
Okay.
Yeah, see
Melrose.
if I can get my aunt to come out here. I mean, that's what the computer supply. 12 o'clock last week. So the power went out, must have put the phone out with it.
Yeah.
I just go nuts. So I said, my son's roof's off his house up there. I said, Lord, fuck. I'm ready to go nuts.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There's a lot of damage, a lot of trees down.
Yeah, Roby Street's a total write-off.
Oh my.
That's where we live.
Roby's right off.
We wrote right off.
Be safe, guys.
Alright, you too, eh?
Thank you. You have a good day.
Holy Jesus. This is bad.
Yeah. Reminds me of Halifax. When
I wonder how they're doing down there.
I don't know.
Oh.
This is not as bad as Halifax was. I can honestly say.
She said up here? By the stop sign?
Stop sign. Power line's down. So,
We'll go up as far as we can, and if we can't, we'll turn down. Oh, I see where it is.
yeah.
Keep going.
I can't drive over that here.
I didn't say you had to. I just wanted to get pictures. Oh my God. Power looks like it's even off up here.
It's all across Nova Scotia.
This is a sin. You think of the work people do in their yards and then this happens? It makes you kind of nauseous, doesn't it? Wonder if Chris is awake.
They lost half the roof.
Oh my God.
Part of the roof is gone.
Yeah, this
And those are brand new buildings too.
Don't look too bad here, but
Thank God the church wasn't touched. Not a shingle missing.
Chris is not even home. Oh yeah, he is.
Yeah, he is.
So let me shut this off now.
Nope. Just keep running.
Another one off. That is stuff. Slow down. I can't do it. Slow down for a minute. That's where, no, that's Cedar Stone. The mire is where,
Right there.
Mama is. So this is the Myra.
So there's sightings in the tree.
Slow down, honey.
I can't go any slower, dear. It's illegal.
They must have a backup generator. Well, it doesn't look like it was been damaged though. That's a good thing. Wow. Another tree down right there.
We'll go over to the school.
Oh, I can't see. Yeah, quite a bit of trees are down here. Oh, look at the deer up there. Quite a few trees down. Holy God.
Top of Rhonda's buildings, the shingles are missing.
She's in this building.
Yeah, the first one.
Yeah, we definitely got some damage going on. We do.
Okay, we'll stop that now if you want.